one of the best parts of teaching, of course, is the interesting questions your students ask you. Um, Often they lead to helpful discussion in class, an interesting discussion, a discussion that benefits the other students. And that's great, right? That's one of the best parts of teaching. Once in a great while, and this is what happened to me last semester, you get a question that you haven't heard before and you haven't thought about before, and it leads you to have some thoughts or generate some ideas that perhaps no one has had before. And this is exactly what happened in my Calculus 3 class last semester, so fall of 21, when Adithya Bhaskara asked me. We had this theorem of calculus, Green's theorem, and then we had its cute little geometric corollary called the shoelace lemma. We used Green's theorem, this big heavy hammer, to prove the shoelace lemma. Well, he asked me, could you go the other way? Is there a way to take this geometric result and use it to prove the theorem in calculus? I had never thought about that. I had never tried doing it, and there also wasn't any immediately obvious reason why you couldn't. So I said, well, I have no idea. Let's try. I gave some ideas to Adithya how to start. He started working with it. We met a few times. He'd come back. We'd chat about the direction and progress. Sure enough, he ended up proving not all of Green's theorem, but a special case of Green's theorem from this shoelace lemma, which I had never seen done before. I'd never seen it in any textbook, in a journal, nothing. As far as I'm aware, it's a new proof. He wrote it up. He presented it at an undergraduate conference this February, and yeah, it was just a really exceptional interaction that came out of that one question asked near the end of class. And so Adithya Bhaskara, Academic Achievement Award for Mathematics, no question. Congratulations.